Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove background in CapCut and then add a new background to your videos. So here I'm going to remove the background of this video. So click on the clip or the video on the timeline and find the remove BG options. Now choose the auto removal, but if you want to, you can also use the custom removal. I usually use this for the object of video which is not a human or a human figure, so you can just use auto removal if it's a human figure like that. Now you can just click on a check icon. CapCut will applying the remove background feature to this clip, and to add a new background you can just click on back on your phone and find these background options. Now you can select new background between color, image, or blur. So I'm going to just select image and add a new background to my videos here. For example, I'm going to change it into this background here. Click on the check icon and that's it. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.